Hey guys, I think today we'll be doing remote code execution on online compilers. So I found this very popular tutorials.point online Python compiler. So we'll be seeing how we can do it, and let's see what are the techniques to bypass some common protection criteria on the compiler. So let's start from the compiler. Okay, so let me import OS and then OS system. Okay, then we're gonna execute it. Oh, so they have a protection mechanism going on the compiler, and it omits the system function. So let's see how we can do it. So first we'll see what kind of data our browser is sending to the server. So let me inspect it, and then we see the network tab. Okay, and we'll re-execute it. Okay, here we have our post command, and we're gonna see the parameters. Okay, the language is Python, device is not mentioned. Here is our code, and here is execute the command which is going to execute on the system, and here is the .main py.py. So my main thing which I'm going to target is this Python execute. Let's see. So you don't need any proxy service. You can directly edit and resend the HTTP headers in Firefox. So let me go edit and resend, and then I'll see this. Okay, where's that? Python execute. Okay, here is the file, and I'll just enter on the list command. So let me see how it works. So I'll send it. Okay, let me see the response. Oh, you can see the result of this. Here's the list command, and yeah, so the remote code execution on this is possible. Okay, so this is how you are going to do with the proxy, but the next thing we'll going to do is how we can bypass this protection on the compiler itself. Stay tuned. So the next part is that how we are going to pass the protection mechanism which are inbuilt in this compiler. So let's try a few things. Okay, from OS import system. So we'll be executing system. Let me see. Okay, so they have like an inbuilt parser which is going to pass a few which is going to pass the function which are responsible for the system commands. So but we have uh, workaround on this kind of protection. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be importing the OS module uh, in this manner. So and then I'm going to, okay, this command is not okay, so I just wrote this command just to debug the original command, and then we are going to use eval a function. So eval is usually the dangerous function, which is going to eval your string to a language specific code. For example, in Python it will going to eval your string to the Python code. In JavaScript it will evaluate your code to JavaScript code. So it's a very dangerous function, and a proper mechanism is required to get your string executed in eval. So make sure you sanitize your input to the eval. So let's see if it works or not, but I think it is going to work. See, so we have bypassed this. So right now we can execute any command. Okay, so UID is this. Okay, so that's how we bypass the restriction. So it's a very common way of importing Python modules, especially when dealing with the protection. So I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.